Hi, I'm Coach Mandy Jo, and this is double pigeon. What is double pigeon? Okay, we are going to put our legs out, making a V shape. We're going to take in our right leg this time. Bring that foot in. Beautiful. Take the left foot, bring that in, and you're going for on top of your other knee. You are going to feel your hips, when you first do this, are going to be screaming at you. They're going, what are you doing? Well, this is what we're doing. So this will help open these hips up. When you look down, straight down, you should see a V, a nice triangle. What you don't want to see is this foot moving its way in. It does make it easier, I will give you that, but that's not going to help you. So you want it to be a nice triangular shape, foot on top. Now you're saying, I've got all this distance between here. Problem solved, put a pillow. Use as many pillows, as many blankets, blocks, whatever you need. The pillows and the blankets enable you to go into the pose. So as you're leaning forward, you're going to start like this. And you're not, when you first start, you may not lean forward very far. That's okay. But you'll eventually go forward and forward, and you'll lift your hands up. Why do I fold my hands over? Why do I flip them over? It's so that I'm not grabbing onto the ground and I'm fully releasing into the pose. Now with a pillow here, as time goes by, this can go and squish together. A block's not squishing. It's just gonna stay there. So I recommend the pillow. For this position, use a pillow. If you got them. I'm sure you got pillows sitting around the house. This one just goes on the couch. I don't even know where the pillow came from. So it's just one we had around. So this is double pigeon. And of course, then you come out, stretch your legs back out to that V, shake them out a little bit, bring them back in. And this time, you got the other side. Now look, I have more space over here. Pillow fits. Perfect. So I get you are going to feel this in your hips. Your hips are going to be screaming at you. But once again, you want to make sure that you've got that nice triangle down here. So this is double pigeon.